Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Gozing Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a 2-pack ultrasonic pest repeller, and here is its technical data. So this ultrasonic pest repeller is used for repelling a variety of insects as well as rodents. And here are its features. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping open the box lid or flap, and you can see the 2 ultrasonic pest repellers in there. Let's go ahead and pop them out. So they are individually wrapped, as you can see, and that's all there is to the packaging and unboxing right there. Let's go ahead and set it to the side right there. And, of course, set the 2 ultrasonic pest repellers in the middle of the frame right there. So you can see very clearly what we've just removed from the box. Okay, and now let's start off by first taking a look at one of the ultrasonic pest repellers from Gozing. Let's go ahead and remove that clear plastic wrapper and set it to the side. So you can see this is kind of a rectangular shaped pest repeller, and it does have the UK 3-pin plug at the rear. And I can tell you that it is very light in weight. It does have a plastic construction. You can hear that. It sounds rather hollow on the inside. And looking straight on, this is the view straight on of the Gozing Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. So how the pest repeller works, this ultrasonic version, does so by generating a frequency that is annoying to insects as well as rodents. It is, however, chemical free, pet friendly, and of course human friendly as well. And there is some more technical data right there, as you can see at the rear of the pest repeller housing. And of course a 3-pin plug right there. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the other one as well. So this is a 2-pack of ultrasonic pest repellers. And let's set it up in the correct orientation, seeing as the 3-pin plug is in the upright position. Okay, so let me move the other ultrasonic pest repeller to the side and give you a close-up look at this one. So same design, they're just a 2-pack, so don't expect anything different. And we'll take a close-up look at the front this time around, which we didn't quite get a chance to do with that first one. So at the front you can see there is a button at the front to toggle what I believe is the night light. So it does have a on-off night light. And at the bottom of the pest repeller, on the front fascia, this appears to be a vent for the speaker outlet for the ultrasonic frequency to be emitted from. Okay, so simple finish, very nice and lightweight, and relatively slim in profile. given that it does have a speaker built into it, or at least a chip to emit the ultrasonic frequency from. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug them both in, of course. Actually, before I do that, let's just do one more quick look at the ultrasonic pest repeller from Gozing. And size-wise, let me rest it in the palm of my hand to give you some idea of the size of the pest repeller. Okay, so nice, good view right there to give you some perspective of the size right there. Okay, and now we can go ahead and plug them in. So I do have a power extension lead here. Let's go ahead and plug one in and flip the switch right now, and you can see it lights up right there with a blue glow right around the pest repeller. And let's press on that front button so that toggles the pest repeller on or off. So this is the thing, I'm not quite sure whether that toggles just the light alone or the entire unit. That's not very clear. Perhaps I missed reading the instructions on the box if there was any listed. So, but that turns on and off the light anyway. So I assume with the light on, it should turn the ultrasonic pest repeller on as well. However, when that button is off, is it working? We can't tell because it doesn't emit any noise or audible frequency to the human ear. Okay, but you can see it does have a lovely blue glow around it. And now let's go ahead and plug them both in. So plug the other one, given that this is a 2-pack. And it's nice to see that there is enough clearance between the two plugs, or at least the pest repellers are slim enough to fit side by side against each other, even though you probably wouldn't want to be doing that, because looking at the specs earlier, very briefly, I noticed that they have a single coverage area of 1800 square feet per ultrasonic pest repeller. So that's quite a very wide area that the ultrasonic pest repeller will work within. Okay, and one thing to note is it does not work through walls, so it needs to be a somewhat open or closed off area for it to work effectively. But you can see them both now with the LED on and off. And you'll notice that it doesn't make any noise which can be heard by the human ear. So silent operation as far as our human ears are concerned. And just like that, you can see they're both plugged in. And they have this lovely blue glow around them. And bring it right in front of the camcorder, and you can hear that there's no perceptible noise coming out of them. So that's the Gozing Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Thanks for watching and happy repelling!